I absolutely love using the ENJO dishwashing liquid as well as the ENJO calcium dissolver as my rinse agent. This is what gives this beautiful shine on your dishes without leaving any watermarks. All I do is add 1 teaspoon of the super concentrated dishwashing liquid in the dispenser, but then I add 2 drops of the calcium dissolver directly in the rinse agent. There are 2 huge advantages. 1, you never smell those fumes when you open your dishwashing machine because it is a plant-based soap. Next is it saves you so much money and space because you're using so little. Just remember, always clean your dishwasher trap to remove any of the food that could be built up at the bottom, which will then allow you to have a better clean of your dishwashing machine. If you have hard water in your home or your cottage, the calcium dissolver is what removes this film on your dishes. If you have not tried or tested any of the plant-based ENJO Pure helpers, please reach out to me and I can help you with this amazing lineup.